Hey YouTube fam, so today's Christmas Eve 2025, and in this video you're gonna get to see the really cool 88 LX50. For a recap, it's got a 331 stroker motor in it, high compression, and it's got nitrous on it, 5-speed T5 and 355 gears, and it runs really good. And I figured, you know what, now's a good day to go out and just, it's 60 degrees a day, which is crazy. And I figured you'd like this quick video. I've been trying to do more of tech stuff with the Explorers, like my daughter's up here on the left, which you'll see that soon. And then the other cars here behind me. And hope you like this video. Thanks for all subscribing this year. If you have any questions, let me know. Merry Christmas, talk to you later. What's going on here? Getting our pressure right. That's the end of the bottle. So I just have to tell you, this is why nitrous isn't as popular anymore. The bottle don't last as long, and when it starts getting low, you can start feeling it cutting out. So I've hit it a few times playing around and got on it here and there, but yeah, the bottle's empty now. You can tell when you go to get on it, it doesn't do anything. There's just no nitrous left. All right, so I'm back home. I went to open the trunk to check the bottle. It was still at 900 pounds of pressure. I'm like, well, that should have still worked at some point, and it should have gone rich if nothing else. And I came out here and looked. See the switch right here? See my finger? Now I'm gonna open the throttle, and it completely misses it. See there? So it was hitting it before, but apparently I pushed it so hard. See there? It bent down and it wasn't activating. Right there. So I never had like that kind of switch, so I've got a new switch coming. It's a spring pull, and you'll hook it back here and here. When you open the throttle, it actually pulls and makes contact and makes connections. So I like that better. That's what I used to use in my other nitrous kits. But the good news is I changed a few things. I leaned it out a couple of jet sizes, went from 41 to a 35, and I changed this RPM switch. Instead of turning off at 5900, have it turn off at 6900, and it pulls better. It turns on exactly where I want it, about 3000, but I feel like it must be reading the wrong RPM and it's cutting off. So between that and that switch, hopefully now I have solved the nitrous problem. But when it was working, this thing is an absolute animal and just roasts these damn tires on the back. So it runs really good. It's really fun. This is what I want this car. Old school, how would you have done it back in the 90s? And it's a true representation of that, and it runs awesome.